What is big data?
To me, big data is when we have too much data to focus on the analysis, and we need to manage the data more than we do analysis. That's big data.
All right, Quentin, what is big data?
Big data it's got a lot of different interpretations, but the way we view big data is really non-relational data. It's data that's web logs, social media data, device data that companies want to analyze, but not necessarily store in their traditional relational data warehouse.
Great, thank you. All right, Rich, what is big data?
What is big data? Big data is actually closer to what is right data. It's how to deal with a variety of different kinds of data from different sources on different timelines, getting it all pulled together in one unified form. It's not totally a matter of volume or size of what you're storing. It's how you pull it all together and use it. At the end of the day, big data is really more about big analytics.
Great, thanks, Rich. All right, what is big data?
Big data is relative, so it's bigger than you're comfortable with, or ready for, or experienced with. So I think everyone has a different definition of big data.
Like an elephant.
Like an elephant, they come in all sizes.
But they can sometimes be a little bit bigger than you want to
They
deal
can
with.
be mean, you have to feed them the right kinds of foods or they get very angry.
A few trees, yeah.
Only 10,000 pounds of lettuce per day.
All right, great, thanks. Okay, what is big data?
Big data is a very wide term, and at Finger we're focusing on unstructured data, and this is data that organizations create daily when they write emails or create reports or write websites. All the social media generates lots of text that is data, and there's lots of it, and there's lots of dimensions to it because it's basically written text. So at Finger we create tools that help deal with this information.
Great, well, thank you. All right, David, what is big data?
What is big data? Big data is the biggest change in the design of systems and the design of IT to meet business problems that's has happened in the last 30 years.
Great, thank you, David.